The System, Pump and Turbine tab is used to calculate the power of a pump, but also allows to calculate a power of a turbine. Our network can be a water catchment network from a reservoir located at altitude. Here we have in our inventory pressure drops, pipe lengths, 100 meters plus 50 meters. Let's imagine that we capture water located 150 meters away in a reservoir at altitude, and that we have therefore channeled it to a turbine. Therefore, the water has undergone a regular head loss in the pipes, and singular head losses, with a cone and an elbow, and arrives at our turbine. We select the turbine option, and slightly modify the interface, so that it is adapted to the calculation of turbines. We estimate that the flow rate of our water catchment is 50 cubic meters per hour. A little reminder not to get the wrong sign. If your turbine is below the suction tank, you must enter a negative value. Let's say the load height is minus 50 meters. The yield, provided by the manufacturer, is estimated at 0.7. We are going to enter the pressure drop before the turbine. We are going to enter the value manually. 17,605 pascals. Here is the energy supplied by our small water catchment, 50 cubic meters per hour, at a height of 50 meters. So we have a used full power of 6.57 kilowatts.